Create a dictionary with comprehension. Can I use list comprehension syntax to create a dictionary? For example, by iterating over pairs of keys and values.
Use a dict comprehension, Python 2.7 and later. Alternatively, use the dict constructor. Given separate lists of keys and values, use the dict constructor with zip.
In Python 3 and Python 2.7+, dictionary comprehensions look like the below. For Python 2.6 or earlier, see Fortran's answer.
In fact, you don't even need to iterate over the iterable if it already comprehends some kind of mapping, the dict constructor doing it graciously for you.
In Python 2.7, it goes like: zip them.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.